everybody, Dr. Laina here. Today I'm going to take you through some really amazing hip and glute strengtheners. You can do this with shoes on, or you can do this in soft feet like I'm doing it. It's a little bit easier with shoes because they'll help with your stability on the floor. I have a chair here really just to help for balance. It's much harder if you do this without the chair, but please keep it here for safety, and I'm going to use it for support as I do this routine with you. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our feet hips width apart and our knees soft. And then from here, all that we're going to do is we're going to shift about 80% of our weight into our heels. So you want to keep your toes on the ground, but you want a lot of that weight, 70-80% of your weight, to be coming through your heels. You'll immediately feel that turn on the muscles in the hip and the glute area. So I'm going to turn this way to show you the exercises. We're going to shift that weight into our heels, and we're going to do one leg at a time. So I'm going to start off by shifting my weight into my left heel. So dig that heel into the ground because we don't want your hip to pop out while we're doing these exercises. We want to push that heel in the ground so that we stay tall. That's how we get these hips to work the best. So the heel in the ground, my weight in my heel, my knees slightly soft, and all I'm going to do with my right leg now is I'm just going to drag it back and forth. So my right leg is just dragging back and forth as I'm pushing down through my left heel, keeping my chest open. We're going to do about 5 of each one of these. So that's 4, and that's 5. Now we're going to go out to the side. So if you want to make this exercise harder, if you've got really strong glutes, all that you're either going to do is let go as you do this, or the other thing you can do is you can pick your foot up and tap rather than dragging it. So this will be 5 here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take our leg back, and we're just going to angle ourselves, and we're just going to pick our leg up and down. So you can see what I'm doing is I'm moving my whole body as one unit. So this isn't a leg raise. This is all coming through the left hip, tipping myself forward, tipping myself back. 2 more. Tipping myself forward. And we're going to do last one. Tipping myself forward and tipping myself back. Now from here, we're just going to place that foot down, take a nice wide lunge. Again, reorient myself so most of my weight is going through this left heel, and we're just going to go down and up with both legs. We're just going to bend and then come back. So I'm pulling my body weight up right through this left heel, which is really engaging my left glute. So that's 3. We're going to do 2 more. You can see I have a nice wide stance, so my knee isn't jutting out too far over my heel. Last one. And now we're going to take it down. We're going to hold it. And now just pulse up and down 5 times. That's 1, 2, 3. Just really start to feel a bit of a burn in that left hip. Come on back up. Shake it out. And now we're going to do that on the other side. So again, feet hips width apart. Knees are soft. Taking that weight into my right heel. Making sure my posture is good. My shoulders are down. You can hang on or not. Really root that right heel into the ground as we shift our weight to our right side. And all that we're going to do now is start to drag our left leg. So it's going to go back. We're going to do this 5 times. Again, making sure your hips not jutting in and out as you're doing this exercise. We're working on the stabilizing muscles. Just 2 more on this side, but stabilizing muscles in here. So it's going to hang on as we're moving our other leg around. Now we're going to go out to the side. So that's out and in. Remember, if you want to make this harder, just lift your foot up and down as you do this. You can tap it rather than drag it. We're going to do 2 more. Keep checking in with that right heel. Last one. Now we're going to bring it in, take the leg back, and now we're going to do that thing where we angle, hinge forward. So we're just going to hinge forward and hinge back. So it's like someone's karate chopping you right here, and it's just making you go forward and back. The leg and the back stay in one unit. Hopefully I'm doing that for you. Back and forth. 2 more. So it's all coming through this area as my hips going back and forth. 1 more time. Now we're going to take that leg back, take ourselves into a nice wide lunge. I'm up on my back toes, and we're just going to bend both knees, and we're just going to go down and up. Pushing up through this right heel, keeping my posture open so you can see I'm not swaying my body back and forth as I'm doing this. I'm not leaning forward. Just 2 more. You can take a smaller range of motion if this is too hard for you to do. Now we're just going to take it down. Really focusing in on that right front heel, and we're just gonna pulse it 5 times. 3, 4, last one. Come on back up, shake it out. And then what I'll do is I'll post some great stretches below that you can do to now stretch out that area that you've just worked. If you do this exercise regularly, you're gonna notice a really huge difference in the stability of these hips. And if you're having low back pain, it will really help it disappear. So if you have any other questions or requests, please leave them in the comments below. We'd appreciate it if you'd press like, and have a great day.